Netmirror isn't opening or keeps crashing. Don't worry, this happens a lot, and it's usually an easy fix. First, check your internet connection. Netmirror needs a stable connection to load properly. So try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. If it still won't open, go to your phone settings, find the Netmirror app, and clear its cache and storage. This removes corrupted temporary files that might be causing the issue. Next, make sure you're on the latest version. Head over to the Play Store or App Store, search for Netmirror, and update if an update's available. If that doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the app completely. This often fixes deeper bugs that cache clearing can't. And if that mirror still refuses to open, check if the servers are down. Sometimes the problem isn't your device, but their side. You could confirm by searching Netmirror server status online or checking Reddit threads. After that, restart your phone and try again. Most of the time, it'll work fine. That's how you fix the Netmirror not opening problem. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.